Hi and welcome to the extended booth at this die mold exhibition. On display is our product CVF 1370. This is extensively used for all the die mold applications as well as production applications. So some special salient features of this machines are, this machine comes with a traverse of, in Y we have a travel of 700 mm. So this machine is suitable for larger molds. This machine comes with a 8000 RPM drive. All machine is internationally designed. All this design is from Taiwan. We have a Mitsubishi CNC controller. So this has got all the advanced features of die mold. This has got 1300 blocks look ahead. Very useful for the die mold 3D machining. Yeah. And machine is very heavily, rigidly constructed. We use all heavy grade castings. Yeah. And machine is comes with all roller guideways or all 3 axes. So really very suitable for die mold machining. So thank you very much for visiting our stall at this exhibition.